Uhefa Lagna and the sector Donetsk Bobokono Wamu Equati Ezarakma Abomuntramian Sampato return encounter ne Ebaso Afe AEK Athens Wamutine Fomini Raya Valacano and the Ebo Fiorentina Wamu and Crystal Palace Ebabo Nianya Strobog Bobokona Wamini Menso 5 and Ebo where Matisa Etota Awo UEFA Conference League Afezuko UEFA Europa League na and also saying the Esitia Ubenya team and the team editor Tavigo Wamu Anso Ebo Freiburg na wanya Aston Villa wamonso ene Bologna and Ebo Betis Bobokono and Sporting Braha na wanya Nottingham Forest wamini FC Porto enso edisi nti where Manchester Betota awo UEFA Champions League and they make it Edjama pato UEFA Europa League rather na another UEFA Champions League Arsenal wamo enso Sporting CP ana edisi na tese enya sem kotwa kra na game no eno so etwane game ni ba na we na tese akwakoye zio wo bia matena anso ankasa but Arsenal timi advance ama niam anso etimi akoye e de amamo nchesha hodo nyina so na me pato UEFA for e de confirmation mi ba na UEFA say sa game no any game ni pa hwe wo mo so ko wi asa fa na nyina ni pa hwe 5 million pe nationwide e da bi we worldwide wo mo say 5 million pe and e hwe enti UEFA game wo ma bo mo say amanfo hwe sa game no pa no e Arsenal for no ha enti Arsenal for no ya kan ya na mahumu proper position ya kra ye mobi better ye bogbe nkitua bi kranka wotimi sabanfo be hwe dia ten Arsenal ne Sporting CPD no ene ye tie no da etotwa e wotuma de so Mikel Arteta sisia no so ye record one say Mikel Arteta ba no one say that ente bia better tentam by 22 seasons Arsene Wenger etna kwabna wonim say Arsene Wenger tna Arsenal nya no Champions League no ode omuko semi final 2 pese yo sepe ano no so anya but Mikel Arteta enso anya mienu in 7 seasons and to mutimu se semi final no ana fe UEFA Champions League no Mikel Arteta enso emeki marka eno ye dia efi Arsenal kati edi aba ewo tumade so enai Mikel check academy da David Raya yesi UEFA Champions League no wono so emike clean sheet atese ne manyina kama edi makoda no wo twa David Raya wono na hold the most UEFA Champions League clean sheet for Arsenal wo goalkeepers wo manya nyina sisi David Raya ekra 18 de o hoda no na 17 in 35 matches David Raya ekra 18 in 33 matches and two teams about the goalkeeping department na David Raya since what joining Arsenal no ene manyina kama de ma brante no eno anso ye record ja etotwa wo dwumade so na Mikel Arteta ne koma na meeting mpato sisi na Arsenal for no efisa semi final back to back in fact omuye bia teye pa atapa pa anomuye sa record no sa Arsenal ebeko UEFA Champions League ebia season way not the next season wo masa ko ade atwaso Mikel Arteta bae no opena timi aye no back to back wo mo say kama edema Mikel Arteta na I don't know that after the game no Mikel Arteta say back to back no ko abna 140 years ni na you say the first time Arsenal UEFA Champions League semi final wo makọ back to back grow for ya bre 140 na ko abna enti samena na kra nkase bi wo wu ye wo wu kra da Edibato Arsenal dala bichawe na no pay anti Arsenal for record na Mikel Arteta ayeno 140 years ni ana tese sa record no enso edawa Arsenal enim pato o ma breakisa record na no pay no make etre edi ama wanchicha hodo nyina so na eno ada game etoja ewo Allianz Arena mamini unkoba kakra esanse Bayern for ne Madrid abomontra nan ama omonso etimu miensa na abranta de team Ede Pavlovic akudani nyago Hurricane enyane de Luis Diaz enyane de Mike Lolise yebe pon game na akudano anso ye adwuma no bruta ama ne man so koye dimomo na oko aye Madrida atagule akudawe so ano wadom anso enya 2 goals edema Madrid boboko no ana Mbappe ede bako anso eka ho na reporter men second year yes for the first time Madrid ebebo UEFA Champions League and game and as a semi final out as a team no baby omu free kwabena ho player kranka ho one so mu Spain Madrid no ada yes so mu game no mu boy no Spain ni bianca sa game no ho esa say oh mo first 11 any changes so mo ya Vini Junior Mbappe Adagule Orlean Twamania de Sewenyamo e Plania Dintino Jude Bellingham and Abraham Diaz Anna Fedi Valverde Fela Mande Antonio Rudiger Adam Militao Trent Alexander-Arnold and Andrew Lunen William Nanta Tessa almost a boy Wobuteni Kamavingamo and the Petard Mania Dadibum Kwabna Yeya Mad double game UEFA Champions League gamer Wamuso Eluswa in fact Nyamianim Spain minor one player Bianca ho and we had etota was Spain and now pay me catcher Adamana Michael Olise and not a Kodane Bona or Bona a Yamu pass at Chelsea Yanfa can't took us on talk way at as a young could a bopa Sakwe in Bobo and not a baby a tight closest grandpa and as a tight position sir who bounce an out Brantano at the born in the Musa not one don't know man of Tamata and Yamansu Echo ye at the Emma Michael Olise me pato Mbappe and so I record at the age of 27 116 days and was the 70th goal ewe UEFA Champions League sisi ano open the youngest ever player a UEFA Champions League goal wadon su the enya 70 then time na kwa Lionel Messi sata ma Messi yes ne record no 27 years 134 days which means the days ne kakra bi pe and Mbappe de na to so no enso etimi ate se no ye reporter ja eba ewe dwumadi so ene anope mi keche kakra na Mbappe Korea Sani 70 goals na when you UEFA Champions League go no with him say UEFA about goals there Cristiano Ronaldo and LED 140 goals Lionel Messi 129 Robert Lewandowski 109 Karim Benzema 90 Raul Gonzalez Blanco and so equal 71 and as he say Mbappe ababenya 70 at the age of 27 and to me say yes I want enemy pa and tamanfo bi so Ronaldo 140 goals no Mbappe betimi ababe sana ho ana and a big question and then no pay to na enso no ebisa wo dwumadi so na yes sa record bi eda ho na sa record na eno so eda ho no Mbappe first ever player at ono so 10 goals away at UEFA Champions League wo hwe de wa esi etia season bia yabo na goals no to so sana he said the Brantford team at the Mbappe and sa record no and so equano in a single European Cup and I say European Champions League campaign no it's say wo Olympiacos what's 4 goals Karata Mate what's 3 Benfica what's 2 Anna Bayern one also as mepato 1 and Tisia no so no breaking records making records and Mbappe the fina kate and so at the eba na Hurricane so kwabra yesi osi so de minimara se ebia ono so ne dia na sa bebe na onye na yesi uko England na upromu players eba ne ntrato no wo mutu ntran ye pa in consecutive 5 seasons dia no wa ye bita Steve Gerrard one na was sa na manase ene Champions League game bi obebo bia no ene na wato atena ya we anu wato atena me pato sisi na Brantford no enso sa record na we England player in fact also 5 consecutive UEFA Champions League game enso ade ato so mat 1 mat 2 mat 3 mat 4 mat 5 wanu sunya goals ato so sisi na wicked enso sa record no apart from that no yes first player at one also boy UEFA Champions League competition in the history at as a 5 consecutive UEFA Champions League gamer one also biano against Madrid when your goals and assists at the Chomo and the play on where to know was a Madrid there when you miss an UEFA Champions League so anya sister obey go at the terminal me pato Hurricane and a record no Eddie Crano yes since 2017 ever 2017 against Madrid where assist 2024 against Madrid where assist 2024 corner against Madrid when you go 2026 and also 2-legged affairs nina no when you go and so at the Bayana Sisana Hurricane and Yamasu Yakama at the Macatino and Unkoma Kakani Adakule and Nada the fastest goal now was no yes by UEFA and no anna the fastest goal ever at as yes UEFA Champions League and no 35 seconds and I could only go at it Madrid and the ever goes faster and so UEFA Champions League and no Adakule and on also Equano and Komaka Kwani Hurricane Yen Kroya, me pato, and no da brand ten kasai. Na was a good moment. And so at the Emomo, na we have the one which you game. And it the way near Mansu is Equio, and the man I come at the moment. Against Madrid, woman sweater say ampa etano and so elho who a PSG woman as no was a nano domino Champions League no and he said when his team be say to me kosia I will be a semi final near dia was a enya better kwane and then Kumon Kakransoa a Branton di Twitter I will a Jumadi so Vincent company I say another not as a game no come emotional game and another or the and so a body tia Madrid Boboko no now in the players no and obebo mabasu ye pa do say wo mo se Madrid dey better Madrid team na nya better sa wo mo ekwa players wo mo ho ye ha ates wo ji ba wo mo je afi onsemani but I know that the team no the players the mentality a ekwa mo nti na omusu no etimi share sa goals no edi chi a Real Madrid no Vincent company and kobaka ko no so di tuta Avelo Abaloa head coach at Madrid one so another after the game ne bisa na say na ne Messi ko no so one the boys no ma prove to a level at as what me say Jumana there so mo ya no my and identify na amfa was so sia Pep Guardiola where you Jumana come against Bayern Vision company and also where Jumano against Thiago Simeone and also where Jumano on the obetimi as coach na and where the abo team no fa ana ne man so ankoye amfa ma na yebisa say isia no and ye o dwene ho ana yebetimi apamu no so enye pamu ho na ono adwene na jo ordinary pa yase wetimi deliver adi amatim no nanka bia anka UEFA Champions League no omade de atozo mako 16 atese no ada amaso no eno ni ade ha ne ye pa eno ya enkoba kakran so a Avelo Abaloa adi epa ewo dwumadie so ana osese obetene o so obeko sadisi ni ho and the mad the one ewo and to the omeka bia no one day nyade se ebe ha no san se oba so oba be boatim no and to the obey the aboni players na ano no so e de aye de abom no and they say de akoba se pam na nyade se ebe ye yibia ne ade and e bi san se edodo kama finger record ne kwabna so no awadwene ho ntiase record no nim kwan kroda wo mo fa so mo de ma branta na nkasa eso no kwan record no nim the reason why ntia ye de sa record no enso edema no beda Wesley Sneijder say Kamavinga de anke pon game na ade ama the players na nke so mo ye so bia ko dressing room no makwache Eduardo Kamavinga di nesi ho na komba kro no amu wu sampa sabu wadi nsem no na kwabna brofo yusu ye no anopa empemfo nsutie metia obi tinche obeka se akwa di matema na mpawatawa akwa na kakasa bone papa adope mintimi nsiso bada ni nyina chi no adagule na do no so di record see yesi your pon game no wo mni players ni nyina mo so mo ntiase the reason tia Abrante ne ba ne reka na be he adagule ono confront we rete everybody nyankopɔ he betre ene be ma ne na basa a tese toto ne nsa ene revise he one for answer na mu ha na free mi so abehu why another man record and he say impo wo mutimi qualify akran kan nya de say next game no wo betimi sia kan Ediama Madrid Madrid players ne say record ne de nya de say wo muti ase a eyeye ene ye dia etotwa ewo dwumadie so a ene ye kachi Ediama nsam no edos beta kakra de esem nsa kan ni se kwabna ye say since papa yin so ba no mutimi nya hweda o wala portal so ba Barcelona no Champions League no mafiri ma so mu free man na no mu free man no mu free man no mu free and to so ne de na yese diabo edi enu wala portal so de no abusia ma me mfasia de aye na no
okay
and this Atletico ni Arsenal na ebo na Bayern so ene PSG so abo
enti nyame ya doma PSG Bayern no ene 28th 28th April, that is Tuesday.
Okay.
Now that they change 29th now. And Atletico Madrid and so and Arsenal.
Almost with the no.
No, almost about with the
but I used to about Kwaba. And Nana Kwame total fleeces in Santa Fe.
Okay.
So by so more Kwaba until and then the boys in so be Mukura.
All right.
And
okay. Gabi to Gabi the foreign for Martin in Canadian